I thought working 12 plus hours a day was the price of success. But working 55 plus hours a week raises heart attack risk by 13%. Burnout isn't rare. 77% of workers experience it, with workload or stress as the top source. Around 35.5% of US adults average less than 7 hours of sleep nightly. Chronic overwork and sleep deprivation are detrimental. Sleeping less than 6 hours increases hypertension risk by 20 to 32%. Working 55 plus hours increases stroke risk by 33%. Rest is critical infrastructure. 88% of adults with good sleep satisfaction flourish, versus 47% of poor sleepers. Recovery, not hustle, allows your body to heal and think clearly. Don't let your health pay the price for goals. Your body doesn't get a second wind, you earn it. Prioritize sleep, set boundaries, and take micro breaks, because wealth cannot replace health.